I have, in lectures, often described this interesting situation by saying, we never know what we're talking about. For when we propose a theory, or try to understand a theory, we also propose or try to understand its logical implications, that is, all those statements which follow from it. But this, as we have just seen, is a hopeless task. There is an infinity of unforeseeable, non-trivial statements belonging to the informative content of any theory and an exact corresponding infinity of statements belonging to its logical content. We can therefore never know or understand all the implications of any theory or its full significance. From Karl Popper, Unended Quest, Chapter 7. To which I reply, which is very different to meaning that nothing could be understood, only that nothing can be perfectly understood. Everything falls apart, people grow old, and some die early. There is anger and people desperate at cross purposes. Yet the world is a better place. People have better, more productive lives. Dreams can be realized. How can both worlds be the same? They cannot, unless there is grace. With grace, forgiveness and redemption all become possible. Love never dies, although the loved one passes. The misunderstood becomes clarified. Errors are forgotten. People hesitate, agonizing over the right choice. Sometimes it is better to choose what seems best at the time and pay the consequences.